In a bustling, vibrant river, amidst the swirling currents, lived a small salmon named Silas. 1. Silas, unlike the others, possessed a unique ambition to journey upstream to the crystal-clear pool where he had heard the legend spoke of the Elder Salmon. 2. The other salmon laughed and scoffed at his dreams, urging him to stay in the comfort of the ocean's embrace. 3. But Silas remained steadfast, his heart filled with determination. He knew the journey would be perilous, but the allure of the Elder Salmon's wisdom was too strong to ignore. 4. As he began his arduous journey, he faced many obstacles: swift currents, hungry predators, and treacherous waterfalls. 5. Yet Silas persevered, his spirit unbroken, his resolve unshaken. He knew that the challenges he faced were not merely tests of his strength, but steps towards his destiny. 6. Finally, after many trials, Silas reached the crystal-clear pool. There, he found the Elder Salmon, its scales glistening like diamonds, its eyes wise and knowing. 7. "Why have you come, young one?" the Elder Salmon asked. 8. "I have come to seek your wisdom," Silas replied. "To understand why I was born with this burning desire to journey upstream." 9. The Elder Salmon smiled. "Your journey was never about the destination, young salmon. It was about the person you became along the way." 10. With that, Silas understood. His journey was not just a physical one, but a journey of self-discovery, a journey that shaped him into a stronger, wiser, and more determined salmon. 11. And so, Silas returned to his home, not as the same salmon who had left, but as a salmon who knew the true power of ambition, not just to achieve, but to become. 12. From then on, Silas inspired the other salmon, showing them that dreams were not just dreams, but stepping stones to greatness. 13. And as the sun set on the bustling, vibrant river, the story of Silas echoed through the waters, a tale of courage, determination, and the power of ambition. 14. In the end, the story of the leap of the salmon became not just a legend, but a beacon of hope, inspiring all who heard it to dream, to strive, and to become. 15.